Tired of remembering bill due dates? Setting up AutoPay on the Verizon app takes just a minute and can even save you money on your monthly bill. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the My Verizon app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on the billing tab at the bottom. Now scroll down and find the option that says AutoPay. Tap on it to begin setup. Next, choose your payment method. You can use a bank account, debit card, or certain credit cards. Keep in mind, if you want to get the AutoPay discount, using a bank account or debit card is usually required. After you pick your payment method, select the day of the month you want the payment to process. Review the terms, then tap Enroll to confirm. That's it. You're now set up on AutoPay. Your Verizon will be paid automatically every month on time. And if your plan qualifies, you'll also start saving up to $10 to $20 per line just by being enrolled. No more late fees, no more reminders. Just set it and forget it. One more quick tips that actually make your life easier. Like, follow, and share for more no fluff how to guides.